Good afternoon, New York District. February is winding down. We are here at the end. Winter is coming to a close and we are entering my favorite season, construction season. That's what we do best here in the Corps of Engineers, and I look forward to ramping up my schedule to get out and see the great work that we are doing at all of our project sites out there in the spring going into the summer. Just wanted to update the district on a few of the things that are going on at my level and some of the things that I'm seeing here in the district. So I just today signed the project information report stemming from the storms that occurred in Long Island in December and January. So this paves the way for a design on the beaches and the affected areas, and then we can get to contracting and repair those coastal storm risk management projects there in Long Island. The first priority is Eastern Fire Island, and then recently just made the eligibility determination on shores westerly of Fire Island, Gilgo Beach area, and we're looking also at some other impacted areas on Long Island to see if they qualify for emergency assistance. We're entering into the mid-year budget, and with that we are re-examining the district priorities, seeing where we have spent so far in the fiscal year, and adjusting and tweaking as necessary so that we can continue to fund and support the district priorities across all of our divisions within the district. We are moving forward now with establishing a program for construction at the Merchant Marine Academy in Northern Long Island. Very excited about that. It's a long time coming. We've been working closely with the team there for a few years in discussions on the program, but it looks like we now have the green light to move forward with 3 projects as we begin building out that program there. Tomorrow and next week I will be out at West Point and up at Watervliet Arsenal to see our great district employees working at those 2 locations, going through the projects on site, doing some senior leader meetings, and developing the approach and way forward at those 2 installations. Those are my top 2 priority military installations based on some of the issues in delivering the program and the nuanced issues at each, and going to reorganize a little bit on how we do business contractually, with some of our personnel in construction and in coordination with the construction division chief there. And I'm very excited about the future and the possibilities that we have at both of those military installations. So it'll be good in the next week to get back on ground there and go through and talk that through with our senior leaders and our personnel on the ground. So we are coming, the Corps of Engineers is relooking and reorganizing how we do our ACE IT contract with a focus on modernization of our technology. So with that modernization does come with some personnel impacts. We've been looking at that the last couple of months, and we're going to spend some of our own district money to buy back some of those capabilities, keep some of those personnel that we would have been losing, so that we can continue to provide those services for the district. And it's more of a soft landing than a hard landing with some of those changes. Just want you to know from the senior leadership at the Corps, the reason that we're going through some of these changes is to modernize the equipment so that we're not just fixing the junk that we've had for many years. That this keeps us in line with the rest of industry and ensures that we are modernized for the foreseeable future. So I just want to close by thanking everyone in the district for all of your hard efforts. They don't go unnoticed. I see it each and every day from across the divisions within the district, whether that's real estate, council, contracting, engineering, our folks out in the field offices at Caven Point, West Point, Watervliet, Metro East, all of our New Jersey offices. I look forward after my big push at the end of the calendar year to get out to those offices to make a similar push here in the spring, so I can get out there, I can hear from you, and then I can take that feedback as I lead and guide the district through the coming year. So just thank you, New York District, and I hope you're ready to build.